What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing Sakara's Night Service supplement. Now, I do a lot of supplement reviews on this channel, and I'm always taking and trying out new supplements. This is just one of my supplement cabinets. I have more in here, and I have more on the counter, and probably more in the bathroom and everywhere else. I've taken a lot of sleep supplements over the years, and the reason I've taken a lot of sleep supplements over the years is because I've struggled with sleep over and over and over again. So much so to the point where I quite literally at one point in my life decided I think I should write a book on sleep health. I never ended up doing that, but I experimented with a lot of different sleep protocols, a lot of different sleep supplements. I experimented with like different lighting, incandescent bulbs, different sleep environments, sleep temperatures, sheets, pillows, I mean, you name it, looking at EMFs, all these different things, right? So I learned a lot about sleep quality, and I've been in the supplement space for a really long time now, and I have a really good understanding of the formula, and I'm gonna share with you in this video how Sleep Service worked for me and what I think about the quality of the product. So first, let's go over the ingredients, and I'll share with you what I think about the formula and the ingredients within the formula, and then I'll share with you my experience after that. So the formula contains, first ingredient is a magnesium bisglycinate chelate. Magnesium bisglycinate or magnesium glycinate. This is the sleep form of magnesium, and this is a pricier form of magnesium. Magnesium citrate or magnesium oxide, these are cheaper forms of magnesium. So I already like the first ingredient because it's a higher quality magnesium, and it's the specific magnesium that is needed specifically for sleep. So I already like the first ingredient, magnesium bisglycinate. The second ingredient is Tart Cherry extract, the whole fruit, which is known as Nordic cherry. There's 500 milligrams of that. Now, you might be asking, why is Tart Cherry in the formula? Tart Cherry and pistachios, actually, oddly enough, are the two food sources, or the two main food sources of naturally occurring melatonin, your sleep hormone. So for myself, and I'll share that story later in this video, but at one point in my life, I had a huge problem with sleep. Nothing would fix it, and I was taking some of the strongest things to downregulate my nervous system and turn my brain off, and Tart Cherry concentrate and another supplement actually really helped me out, which I'll share in this video. But that's a really good thing because that magnesium bisglycinate is good, and then the Tart Cherry, you're getting your melatonin from that. It then has essentially GABA, which GABA is, at one point in my life, I had sleep trouble because my GABA levels were low. And your GABA levels, basically your GABA down regulates your brain and calms your nervous system. And if your brain is overactive, your GABA levels could be depleted. So you want to get your GABA, that's G-A-B-A, GABA levels up. So this has GABA in it as well. And then it says proprietary blend, which, I don't really like seeing proprietary on labels personally, but I think they're just saying that it's the ratio of these things are proprietary. So here's the other ingredients. L-theanine, which has calming for the brain. Ashwagandha stem, leaf, and root extract, which is pretty cool because you're sort of getting the full spectrum quality of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a very calming, very sort of sedating root adaptogen that really helps to just lower stress hormones, keep your cortisol in check. In fact, it's in my product, Radiate 21. And it's just a really great addition. So ashwagandha is in there. Then you have rhodiola, which is also helpful. Holy basil stem and leaf and root extract, which is also great for stress hormones. The next ingredient, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the one ingredient in this formula that I'm not a huge fan of, maca root extract. Now, maca root is amazing. I take maca root myself. However, for me personally, I have found that with my biology, my DNA, maca is more energizing for me. It helps with your energy hormones, your sex hormones, things like that. But it's an adaptogen, so it can downregulate your energy or upregulate your energy, and everyone's going to respond to maca differently. Personally, for me, I take maca before I go to the gym because it just gives me a boost of energy, and I notice my hormones are more charged up. So personally, for me, maca is more of a pre-gym, pre-baby making root, not necessarily something to put in a sleep formula. So that's the one ingredient, even though it's a high quality ingredient, that's the one ingredient that I don't really like in this formula. The last ingredient you have is Reishi Mushroom, and it's important to note that it's the fruiting body extract, not the mycelial mass. The fruiting body extract is the more medicinal part of the mushroom. It's also a pricier part of that mushroom in terms of cost, meaning it's higher quality. So that is the last ingredient, and then you have some carrot concentrate for color, and then rice flour, so like filler basically. But in terms of the formula itself, the Sakara Night Service formula itself, by the way, I love the glass. I love the bottle. These purple pills, which are purple because of the carrot concentrate, but the formula itself, the high quality magnesium bisglycinate, the reishi fruiting body, not the mycelial mass, the tart cherry concentrate, the holy basil, the ashwagandha, these types of things. I love the formula, and the ingredients are top notch and high quality. Where I don't like it so much is the maca, like I said. Now, is this the best sleep supplement I've ever tried or used? Not necessarily, but it would be on a higher list than other supplements that I've tried. So there are a few supplements that I've tried, one of which is called Qualia Night, and I'll put the link to this below in the description. Personally, for me, when I was actually sleeping in Detroit, quite literally in the hood at an organic farm, because I was doing like an internship type thing at an organic farm for a summer, I heard gunshots every night like clockwork. And my nervous system was so hijacked that I couldn't fall asleep because I would just hear gunshots. And at the time, I tried valerian, kava, like all these really strong sedative sort of agents, and I couldn't fall asleep. And I discovered Qualia Night, and that was the only thing that helped me to fall asleep. So personally for me, Qualia Night is the highest quality sleep supplement that I've personally taken, that I've seen results with, because in my most difficult sleep hour, in period and season of my life, it quite literally saved the day. And the thing I like about the brand Qualia is that they do tests of 100 people for every product before they actually release it and sell it to the public. And if they don't have 80% or 80 of those 100 people saying that they got positive results, they withhold the product, they don't release it, they go back, they reformulate it, and they ensure that at least 8 out of 10 people are gonna get results with that product. So Qualia Night worked for me, and there's an 80% chance it'll work for you essentially. There's another product called REM Sleep by Healthy Cell. Healthy Cell is a company that makes these like gel packs, and that worked really well for me too at one point when I had some challenges. The only thing there's like an upside and downside to that one. The upside is my dream clarity and recall was through the roof. For whatever reason, I had super vivid, super visual dreams when I took Healthy Cell REM Sleep. The one, I guess you could say downside or upside depending on where you're at, is it made me feel a little bit drowsy at night, which I didn't necessarily like if I took it too early in the night. But if you take it right before bed, you fall asleep quicker. So even though it's kind of a downside, it's sort of an upside. I took it too early a few times, and like one time I literally walked into a wall and bruised my forehead because I was so drowsy. But that just shows that it works. So Qualia Night would be my first sleep supplement choice, honestly. Healthy Cell REM Sleep would definitely be up there as well. But this is exceptional, and I've taken it for about a week now, and I would say about 5 of those nights I got better sleep. One night, not so much, and like one night was maybe about the same. So, you know, maybe 70% of the time or so I sleep better with Night Service. So it is a high quality product, it is a high quality supplement. I think the maca in it is the one thing that just for me specifically gives me energy and is probably not the best for me. However, with that being said, it is a very high quality supplement. The ingredients are high quality. The form of those ingredients, reishi fruiting body extract, the bisglycinate magnesium, the whole ashwagandha, whole holy basil stem, root, leaf, these types of things. It is a high quality formula with high quality ingredients, and it's not cheaply made, so it does work very well. I mean, it's gonna work better than probably 80% of the supplements on the market. So check it out. I'll put the link to this below. Night Service from Sakara. I'll also put the Qualia Night because that's my first sleep supplement, and then Healthy Cell REM Sleep because that's sort of my second sleep supplement, because I like that it puts me to sleep quickly, and I really like that added clarity or dream recall that I have from that. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different healthy wellness brands, check out healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section. I'll put that link below, and that will give you discounts on a bunch of different healthy wellness brands that I have personally vetted as a health and wellness coach to help you save money, live healthier, and find products that are helpful for you to keep your biology, your brain, your heart, your cardiovascular system, your gut, your sleep, your nervous system, all these things healthy. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.